Hi, it's James here from the Sprinkle Donut Forge in Moscow, Texas. And sorry I didn't say bye at the end of the Halloween video. That just happened to be the end of it. I did a lot of work on that, so I cut it there, and hence the lapse between making and posting of that video. I decided, let's go ahead and make it a two-part and let you see what I did so far. Well, I got it too hot. Burnt a little bit, some cold shuts in it, but there's our jack-o'-lantern. But it's not very good as a big thick steel lollipop, so what we need to do with it is make it a functional decoration. And it's still fall, so pumpkins still count. So welcome to part 2. We're going to split this. I could use an angle grinder. That would be great. Bandsaw, that'd be wonderful. Out of angle grinder disc right now. If I had them, I'd still want to do this traditionally, so we're going to use this to split it. Let's put that rascal in there and heat it up, get it hot, split it. See you in a minute. Let's do a little splitting. You'll want to wear safety glasses pretty much all the time, but especially when hitting another tool. Hopefully it's at a low enough heat where you can see the notch. That's about how far I'm going to split it. So now that we've established the notch, we're going to move on to the footage that I'm going to high speed, and we'll try to make this drawn out process fun and watchable, and maybe you can get a better idea of the movement of the metal if you see it happen faster. So just like I high speeded the first Halloween video, we're going to high speed this one. So we'll see you in a few minutes after an hour or so. Well, here we are. Here's our little Halloween sculpture. I think it's kind of neat. It does stand up. I guess I can show you over here. Oh, this thing's wonky. The oil. The oil will be hot still. And we can just set it up. It sets pretty readily even if the surface isn't level. It stands up nice and straight. There's our little burned up jack-o'-lantern. And he looks kind of cool. So in honor of that, I went ahead and touch marked it right there. Well, that's all I got for this evening and the last few days. I hope you enjoyed following the making of this little sculpture. I think it's kind of crude and cute. I'm going to display this somewhere, and I encourage you to have fun. And even if you think you failed at something, such as the burning that I did on this one, go ahead and do something with it. You've got the metal out, you've got the fire, go ahead and do something with it. There's a time to call it quits, and there's a time to just let your spark lead you in whatever direction it may, and you might come up with something interesting. I hope you gleaned something from this. That's all I have for this evening. Until next time, bye.